I now have my new steering rack fixing bolts or screws coming from Italy, special order from Tim's Motor Group in Slough. Very helpful over there. Cost me £9.43, which I don't think is bad considering. So a big thank you to Dave in the parts department there. Much appreciated. Big them up because they've been very helpful. Okay, the car is now fully back together. New suspension arms, new brake discs. I've cleaned up the brake components at the front, haven't gone overboard on it. I still have to fit the front part of the exhaust system and the O2 sensor, I've got a few snags to deal with here and there. I'm waiting for some new nylock nuts for the various components around the front here. I bought some so that we're fitting fresh nuts on it. The next aspect of this will be either to look at the engine or the rear suspension, which I think might be the best next port of call. So I'll see you on the next one.